What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeks blog, and in today's video let's talk about every new feature came in messages in iOS 18. One of the biggest feature is Emoji Tapbacks. Now you will be able to send emojis as tapbacks. Just double tap on the message you want to react with a preferred emoji. Well, you can also add your favorite emoji and sticker as well. Earlier it was not possible. Another new feature is Send Later. This feature will allow you to schedule messages to send at a later time. So for example, if you have a birthday message you want to send but you cannot send it right now, you can schedule the text and it will be sent later in time. To do that, open Messages app and now tap on Add icon, select More, and there you have it, Send Later. Select it, type your message and simply schedule it accordingly and tap on Send, and as you can see, the chat bubble will be a dotted one, implying it is a scheduled text. And next on the list is rich text formatting. Messages will now support bold, italics, underline and strike through text formatting. This is a great way to add emphasis on your messages or to make them stand out. Joining these options are 8 neat special effects which can be also applied on per character basis. And those 8 effects are big, small, shake, nod, explode, ripple, bloom and jitter. I'm not sure which messaging occasion will ask for these special effects, but it is nice to have nonetheless. And finally, iOS 18 has brought RCS support for messages. RCS is a new messaging standard that will allow for better quality images and videos, as well as features like group chat, read receipts and typing indicators. So for example, if you are chatting with a person who uses Android aka Green Bubble, you will still have typing indicators and of course read receipts. And lastly, iOS brings messages via satellite. The new Messages via Satellite feature lets you send and receive messages using satellite connection. Same way how it lets you make a SOS call via satellite. So that's all guys, these were all the new features coming to Messages app in iOS 18, and this time Apple took texting seriously. And another serious thing which you need to do is of course subscribe to iGeeks blog and press the bell icon so that you get notified on each and every video we post. And you can also download iGeeks blog app from the App Store to enjoy everything Apple content and of course amazing wallpapers. On this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye and keep texting.